Alright guys, I'm doing another one of these dock fishing tutorials / tips and tricks. Hope you guys enjoy. So one major tip I forgot last time to mention was the tides. Predator fish like bass bite most when the tide is changing heavily. Think about it. The bait fish move with the tide, and the predator fish eat the bait fish. So the predator fish are much more likely to bite, and much more likely to look for fish when the tide is changing. Now to figure out the tide, just type in tide charts and then where you live. I put in tide charts San Diego and I get exactly what I want. This tip is for a lot of fish, but mainly bass. The fish won't find you, you have to find the fish. A lot of predator fish wait in one spot waiting for an unsuspecting bait fish to come over so they can strike. This means you should constantly be moving. Cast 1 to 5 times in an area and no bites, leave. One strategy I use is I drop a jig down in a slip, reel up, and then go to the next slip. If I get a bite, I fish it there maybe 1 or 2 more times. All the bass you've seen on this channel has been caught that way. This next tip is for catching fish like opali. Don't drop down your bait right next to the fish. That would scare them away. You need to drop it farther away and let them find it. Make them think, oh, I just stumbled across this great thing. Like, for example, you see a stingray moving across the rocks. Don't drop it so it almost hits the stingray. Instead, drop it like 1 or 2 feet ahead of it in some random direction so they can see it. If they are interested, they'll bite. And if they're not, no matter what you do, they will not bite. This tip is for initially hooking the fish. If a fish is kind of biting it, just kind of taking little picks at it, don't try to set the hook. Let them swallow it, let them grab it, and then let them run away with it. You have to be patient. You can't just strike when the fish is close to biting you. My last advice is just to fish. Like this guy said, bass will hit anything, though they hit something more than others. Just fish when the time is right, or just fish at all, and you're bound to catch fish. You can't catch fish if you're not trying to catch fish. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Bye.